try for the rest of my life. 'Cause you are the best part of me. The side I hope everyone sees. The air that I breathe, I'm missing peace. Wasn't complete before you. 'Cause you are the best part of me. My daylight sky blue, my greener grass on the other side. It's just the simple truth. All that was wrong, you made it right. 'Cause you are the best part of me. The side I hope everyone sees. The air that I breathe, I'm missing peace. Wasn't complete before you. 'Cause you are the best part of me. The best part of me. Time can't fade it, the thief can't take it. All my love for you. You are, you are. You are, you are. 'Cause you are the best part of me. The side I hope everyone sees. The air that I breathe, I'm missing peace. Wasn't complete before you. 'Cause you are the best part of me. The best part of me.
A ring is a symbol of your love for each other. This is a circle. It's an unending, undying love that you have for one another. The precious metals in it symbolizes the purity of your love for one another. So what you're going to do is just repeat after me in the giving and receiving of rings. Andrew, you're going to place this on Lexi's finger and repeat after me. I, Andrew, take you, Lexi.
I, Andrew, take you, Lexi.
To be my wedded wife.
To be my wedded wife.
To have and to hold from this day forward.
To have and to hold from this day forward.
For better, for worse.
For better, for worse.
For richer, for poor.
For richer, for poor.
In sickness and in health.
Sickness and in health.
To love and cherish.
To love and cherish.
Till death do us part.
Till death do us part.
According to God's holy ordinance.
According to God's holy ordinance.
With this ring.
With this ring.
I pledge you my love.
I pledge you my love.
Lexi, you're going to place the ring on Andrew's finger and repeat after me. I, Lexi, take you, Andrew.
I, Lexi, take you, Andrew.
To be my wedded husband.
To be my wedded husband.
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
For better, for worse.
For better, for worse.
For richer, for poor.
For richer, for poor.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and cherish.
To love and cherish.
Till death do us part.
Till death do us part.
According to God's holy ordinance.
According to God's holy ordinance.
See, she crushed it. With this ring, I pledge you my love.
With this ring, I pledge you my love.
Andrew and Lexi, it's in these moments I've heard you pledge your love and faith to each other. Your friends and family assembled here have heard you seal your solemn vows of marriage by the giving and receiving of rings and the Unity Cross ceremony. So it is my joy and personal privilege to declare you husband and wife. This is the moment you've been waiting for. You can kiss your bride.